Sanibonani. This is MJ, the new host. Yet Dubs a Corner podcast. Angihambi ngedwa-ke ngihamba the Pim Adlozi Kambule, the one and only somebody that is being known in South Africa. Who is a Pim Adlozi?
Wow, before ngiphendule lo mbuzo ngicela ukubonga ithuba engiphe lona
Thank you so
ngibabengeli
much.
bonke abalaleli nababukeli be-Debs Corner podcast.
Mm.
It is an honor and a pleasure ukuthi ngibe nami la. Ngibe nami futhi ngibe nani. Yabona into enjalo. Ngiyajabula kakhulu. Uphimdozi Khambule ingane encane nje yasembali by birth ngithanda ukuthula Khambule. Ngunumber 3 kwingane zababa benoma ukhetho Khambule benozandile Khambule. Yabo, uyena Phimdozi Khambule lo.
Ungasakuthanda-ke manje ukuthula. Tell us about your journey.
Okay. Ijeni yami yokuba isangoma MJ iqale from ekukhulweni.
Yes.
Ngikhule ngumntwana osindisiwe omaziyo uNkulunkulu, omaziyo uJehova,
Exactly.
ophila ngevangeli. Nanamhlanje ngisaphila ngawo uJehova.
Okay. Amen.
Kodwa ke ukuthi ngiyinabe nje kancane lento ukuthi iqale kuphi. Ngikhule ngisindisiwe bengiyi-prophetic youth minister. Beyithi esontweni uthothi kuya-worshipwa ufundiswa wenza ini. Mina I would just like qhume ngezilimi sithi ama-tongues of fire. Lapho thothi ngizozisho ilimi lezi kube khona izinto ezenzakalayo esontweni phakathi ngiphinde ngizi-interpret. uNkulunkulu ngizosho ukuthi ubengisebenzisa kakhulu esontweni. Yilapho ukubizo lwami laqala khona. Yabona? Before ngize ngibe nayo isangoma.
Okay.
Yeah. So ke kwahamba ubizo lwami ke lasibaveze ngale ndlela le. Uliziveze kanjani na amaphupho ami around 2014 amaphupho ami vela ngiphupha ngisemanzini uphupha izilwane ezinkulu yabo amabhubesi izinyoka namabhayi. Mind you ekhaya akekho kwabe isangoma. So le nto mngoma it's foreign to me at that time.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, I get your
And
point.
I didn't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yabona? Kwaqala kwashintsha abantu bazwana nabo bahlehle empilweni yami. Ngaphelelwe imisebenzi, ngaphelelwe yonke into. Kwaphela nje kanti vele sekuzovela lento le. Ngizophinde futhi ngibonge abazali bami ukuthi ke ibona bathi Thando, as much as usindisiwe umuntu omnyama hamba uyohlela kumuntu. Ngathi I would never do that. I would never betray uNkulunkulu. Wathi ubaba ukhona umuntu osibanibani engizokuyisa kuyena at least uzokhohlwa kuyena umuntu ongithandaza. You understand? Ozohambisana nento engithi mina ngiyathandaza. Yabo? So mina kulo muntu lona ke kwavela ezinye izinto mina ngiyathi mhlawumbe uzovela ukuthi ngizothola njani umsebenzi. Kwavela ukuthi ke mina nginemoya ethize yamanje kunabantu afanele
Wena emqondweni wakho ufuna umsebenzi.
mina ngiyalapha ngoba ngifuna umsebenzi.
Kanti umsebenzi unawo.
Kanti umsebenzi nginawo. You understand? So lo muntu lona ke bese veza lezi zinto lezi veze ukuthi kufanele ngithwase kunomsebenzi okhona kumina. Wabantu abadala engingazi ukuthi uqhamukaphi. Yabo? So at that time it was unclear and kwakumnyama kugcwele uthuli emehlweni ami because mina ngazi inkonzo leya ukusindiswa. Fast forward kwahamba kwagcina sengiyathwasa-ke futhi nakhona ekuthwaseni kwami ikhehla lami akuzange kube into esithi nje ibe mnandi yalula. Yes, ukuthwasa kwami kusheshile. Hayi kusheshile bhuti wami futhi ngqambela amanga. And now I didn't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani kanti ngizothi sengikhula yasho into ukuthi phela mina njengoba nguNkulunkulu wakho okulethe kulo mhlaba i-process yakho yokuthwasa ngase bese ngiqale before ube yisangoma. Ngiyayiqala uwumprofeti ubona izinto ngokwasenkonzweni but manje usuzobonisa izinto ngani ngokwasemhlabeni nangokosiko lwini ma-Africans.
So abantu ababekwazi as umprofeti and now you have turned ukuthi ube yisangoma. Ukuzwana, let me just put it in ngesizulu. Ukuzwana kwabo unabo ukuthi obani sibani uyangazi mina ngumprofeti ngiprofethelele ukuthi uzohamba ngemoto emhlophe. So now amesangoma.
Yabo kube bahlehle kakhulu abantu after sengithwasile ukuthi hawu lo muntu kanjani manje ube umprofeti manje seyisangoma. Abona baba uthi kune contradiction ekhona kulo muntu lo. Vele ngoba samazi ukuthi uthanda izinto ukhule umuntu othanda izinto nalendo zakho uthengile vele into engekho futhi nibona ukuthi into yakhe ibishesha kanjani ukuthwasa. Yabona? So into engekho lento yakhe bathuka ke abantu.
Bathini ke mase bekubuzwa eradweni bekubona ku-TV and newspapers. And ngitshele nje ukuthi bona nje emphakathini ukuthi like
the very same people ade bethuka bethi ayikho lento, even some family members bekhuluma nani uma sebeqabe ngibona emaphepheni sebeyaqala futhi manje sebethi-ke jail in, you understand, because siyabantu abamnyama most yethu ayisonke siyathanda ukuzi-associate nomuntu bese sedumile, but if into yakho isakhula siyayithuka. So nami-ke kwaba kanjalo ukuthi mengiqala phuma emaphepheni kulahleka izinto ezintshontshiwe, basho khona futhi that day ngiyothola izinto lezi ezazintshontshiwe ukuthi ayikho lento yakhe lo. The first publication engenziwa kuyona kwi-cover page,
yes,
not i-front page, cover. You understand? So-ke manje babemile la ngaphandle bethi sifuna ukuthi uzobuya nazo lezi zinto ezintshontshiwe, omakhelwane and some family members, yes. So-ke kwaqala lapho-ke babuthi hayi lento shuthi ikhona, ngoba ngathi mina ngizifundisa mina ngathi ngeke ngithiye lolu bizo lwami ngibuye la befuna khona, ngizoqhubeka nejeni uNkulunkulu okuyena okade eplanile.
Mina yabona ungiqeda amandla ukuthi bona bakubuka and while ubenzela i-proof ukuthi lokho kuyenzeka, and baningi abantu abadinga usizo like emhlabeni. It's not like masikhuluma la sikhuluma eMbali or sikhuluma ePietermaritzburg or in Durban, sikhuluma nabantu abaningi ukuthi there's many people that they need usizo kuwena. And as young as you are, people, they have that belief ukuthi ubuntu ofanele ukuthi abe in that authority that you are in. Fanele abe mdala. What is your take in that?
Okay, yazi abantu like njengoba umsebenzi uhanjwa khona abantu abadala. You understand? Sesho abadala ngokweminyaka. So ke manje bebethuthi befika emakhosini amanye amakhetho ukuthi bangizwe eredweni. Athi eredweni ngiyafundisa khona. Ngihlole nani athi umuntu
awubonakala futhi
awubonakala eredweni. So athi umuntu mase eseza la mina sengibona ukuthi cha ngicela ubaba lekhaya okade khoma eredweni. So bana le belief ukuthi lo msebenzi lona fanele wenze umuntu omdala ikhehle selidala, bese mina ngithi kuyena umuntu lo ngithi hayi baba ayikabi lo omaziyo isangoma emdaleni na 70 years uqale na 70 ubungoma nomqale naye emncane wakhula. So basically i-criticism iba khona vele based on age ukuthi kumele kungabe kanti phela ubizo lungena ungakabi khona esibelethweni sikamama. You understand?
So wena-ke ukuhlanganisa kanjani a spiritual world and a flamboyant and a vibrant person in like understand because like kunabantu understand like mina if I can bump to you I will never think which you. So
okay, I think lento ihambisana ukuthi ungenwe abantu abanjani. Ungenwe abantu abanjani, mina ngenwe abantu abayithandayo, abayithanda ngokugqoka, abamanono, abaclean, abathanda impilo right. So ke mina ke myself Phimdlozi Khambule njengele labo khona la umakhehla lawo angikwazi ukuwaphoqa. So vele even before ngingenwe ibona noma kuleto yabivele bengivele ngizithanda njengigqoka uwhite nje, yebo. So ke nokuthi I wanted to change the stereotype.
Okay.
So kuthi if uyinyanga noma uyisangoma fanele ufaka amabhayi, fanele unoke impepho, fanele uhlale ezigodlweni, yabo. So that's how ke igama lami lapho lifuna khona kanje umuntu ofundisa khona ngalo ukuthi abantu mabaphume in that cocoon, abaphume kulama conformities ukuthi fanele baphile kanje. Asingabi conformed by izinto zasemhlabeni ezishiwo abantu. Umuntu akaphile ngendlela izinto zakhe elifuna ngayo.
Okay.
Yabona.
Okay. Wena usitshela sabalaleli ukuthi if mina ngiyalizwa idlozi ukuthi nginalo liyavuka kumina. But musuku ngijaja if I'm wearing my weave or ngigqoke i-makeup or ngihamba ngama-crocs wami, like don't even think ukuthi idlozi lami alihambisani nalokho ngoba thina kunabantu abangenwa amanono, kunabantu abangenwe omndawo angazi you can tell people that. But anyway angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Ngiyayizwa leyo. Mina myself I would say ungamjaji umuntu indlela aphila ngayo nedlozi lakhe. But what I will reiterate like to put an emphasis on not ufaka amawuvi not ugqoka kanjani, but into yakhe ayibe respectful, ikhombise phela ukuthi wena awuhambi uwedwa. You understand? Nami myself ngigqoka ama-brands abizayo athize aqhamuka kaphi lo mali iqhamuka kwidlozi lami lengisebenzele, kodwa kusho ukuthi-ke uma sengiqonda lezo zinto engizigqoka mina angiphile budlabha, ngikhohlwa ukuthi labantu bayaphila phela kumina. Be presentable.
Guys, sesifundile usesifundise okuningi and mhlawumbe ngeze ukuthi ngikubone kuma-social media, and I think ngendlela engizocabanga ngayo
Yeah,
ukuthi this person is this person,
yeah,
kanti akuyikona
kodwa
lokho.
kusikona.
Yes. So kulokho nje abantu ongabafundisa ngakho usungitshelile kuningi osositshelile labalaleli siyakuzwa,
Yeah.
but what is the main code that keeps you going?
Believing in yourself.
Yeah.
I believe in myself.
Yes.
If ngithi myself ngqona ukuthi-ke idlozi lami yilo.
Mm.
Yilo uNkulunkulu ehleli phezulu, uyena uNkulunkulu ophezulu laphaya, yabo. But angizugxila kakhulu laphaya, kodwa-ke into ethi ngithi keep going, ukholwa ukuthi lento uNkulunkulu ayiplanta kumina abantu abadala i-genuine, ngoba ngiyibonile ishintsho yami impilo, yabona. Akuhlezi ku-smooth, akuhlezi ku-smooth. Vele i-social media ngithi size sikuveze the rough patch or the rough journey ekudlula kuyona, but namhlanje abantu fanele bathini akuhlezi kulula. So-ke eyami into engithi ngihlezi ngiqhubeka kanje ingoba ngiyakholelwa lento enginikwe ngithini iyisipho, iwubizo futhi. You understand?
Guys, akuningi engisazombuza yona, kodwa this will be continued. Guys, stay tuned and
Okay. Wangena kwindaba emnandi-ke manje. Wangena kwindaba emnandi-ke manje. I-radio, i-career yami kwi-radio iqale 2018.
oh my gosh.
2018 kuNgqungundlovu FM. Nginomama uMamNana Makhaya uNgelosi engenamaphiko. Owanginikeza nje islot laphaya 2018 to 2019. And then 2019 to 2023 ngaba kwiVuma FM. But ngiqale kwiVuma FM with uSisi Vanessa Marawa.
Yes.
Ngineslot sikwi-Culture Shock lapho futhi khona ngedlozi. Sihlola eredioni futhi si-interpreta nama-dreams. Then 2020 to 2023 ngaba noJacinta Ngobese. Nginohlelo lwami kune-segment yami ethi Makhosi on Dial. Lapho futhi kade ngihlole eredioni, bengifundisa ngesintu sethu, phinde ngihlole ngichazele abantu amaphupho abo. Yeah. So yabona umsebenzi wami usuhamba uzufika kanjani. Lo nkulunkulu siqale ngani.
Yes.
Uwena owaplanta lento yololu bizo kwagcina kwanobungoma, lobungoma wavula amathuba e-rap namaphepha, khumbula.
Hayi kodwa inamadla lento iyasebenza-ke.
Kakhulu.
Sengikubona lapha kwi-TV-ke, ngikubona koZalo ubhutshisa abasoba kuthi kwenzakalani phela. Mina mangibuka uZalo ngizibukela i-TV, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena wawenza uyangena noma uyasebenza
Yeah.
noma wenzani, angi-understand-anga.
Yeah. Okay,
Ngitshele.
I got a casting role
Oh.
yokuba isangoma ekuthiwa angisamkhulu igama le-character ukuthi kwakubani, but ngathola leyo casting role ukuthi ngizoba isangoma. Cabanga ngiyisangoma in real life.
Yes.
Kukhona kuZalo laphaya, and it was a life-changing opportunity. Life-changing opportunity.
Now mawufika kuZalo,
Yeah.
and like abantu vele kuZalo abantu abaningi abajwayele vele the actors, the
Yeah.
actresses. So wena obani abantu that you pick up ukuthi these are the people that I need to ukuthi ngihlale nje nabo, ngisane nabo.
Baningi kodwa ngizomenshina nje
No,
about two.
just few.
About two. Ngicabanga menshina about two. uZama Magobane sithi uMadongwe.
Madongwe.
Bese kuba-ke uMamBheki Cele.
Oh.
MaMbheki Cele. Yibona abantu engithi gravitate towards them because sishare into efanayo, noma uMagobane ingasona isangoma, but sishare izinto eziningi mina sinayo. Siya-communicate ngale ndlela. Lo uMamBheki Cele yena unawo ubungoma ngethi. So abantu engifike ngathi mekufika kuZalo.
Wathi khak.
Yes, bangitshela kamnandi futhi.
So ima-ke engeneni kwami kuZalo,
Yeah.
it was like idlozi eli-navigatile lokhu, ngoba because I don't think ukuthi ula e-PNB.
Yeah.
And uZalo lilaphayana ka-M,
Yeah.
if I'm not mistaken.
I'm not sure of the address.
Yes, ka-M.
Yeah.
Ka-M kamanje. So akekho into engakuhlanganisa, but whatever okwenzeka kwaba mnandi, sakubuka and wena vele you came ukuthi uzokwenza lento le ekuwena.
Yeah.
But now let's go to our newspapers.
Okay.
And newspapers, wait before you answer me. Newspapers, they have negative and positive.
Yeah. Okay. The first publication eyenziwa ngami, it was 2016.
Yes.
Ngiphume ebungomeni, yes. Kwakutshontshwa izinto, iy'mpahla ezilahlekile. Kwakuney'mpahla ezazilahlekile. So ngaprofayilwa Can I mention igama le-newspaper?
No, don't.
Okay. Ngaprofile lelo phepha lelo-ke kwawuqala kwami kokuduma kokwaziwa-ke.
Ukuthi nathi ingane eziyimanga
Yenza imali.
e-South
So
Africa.
ngaduma kanjalo-ke. Then newspaper after newspaper, it's interview after interview till today-ke.
Yes.
Uyabona. So amaphepha ayangithanda-ke futhi nokuthi I've never had i-bad publicity ezobhalwa ngami laphaya.
Yes.
Angizenzi ngcono, but hlezi kuyizinto ezinhle.
No. Ingakho ngithe ukuthi kune-negative ne-positive
Yes.
side. Ingakho nje ngisho ukuthi usenza ngcono.
Yeah.
But let's just go to ama-social media.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubona laphayana phela mina ngilokhu ngibona ukuthi hayibo lo bhuti uma phambi ngamaphuli ulwandle i-swimming pool iseduze kolwandle
Yeah.
usukephi Mozambique. But tell me more about that.
Yeah.
Why are you there and why ungatholakali when people they want to talk with you?
Okay. Ngiyatravela kakhulu. Ngiyatravela kakhulu nje kusho nawe ukuthi ubone ko-social media nani nani. So mostly ngitravela e-Africa. Most of the time sekukomsebenzi.
Okay.
Angeke kwi-social media ngiposte la ngisuke ngiye khona.
But you post away.
Ngiyaveza phela lokho kujabula. Phela ngifike ngiyosebenza qala ngilanda imithi yabantu. Then ke bese ngiyajabula-ke nami. So-ke yeah. So mostly ngiya ko-Mozambique, ko-Ghana, ngiyahamba o-Nigeria, o-Benin. Ngiyahamba kakhulu. Ngiyahamba kakhulu.
But kunendawo la ngibona khona and i-picture yakho uhlele eduze kwe-swimming pool and the swimming pool inde.
Yeah.
And like kunolwandle lapha ulwandle lakhona ninawo amagagasi.
Yeah.
Iyiphi le ndawo la ngiyafisa nje uyazi ke nje nabalalisi sasezeni bakwethu.
Ngangisevilankulu lapho. Ivilankulu but angenze ngisho indawo le-resort le.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngangisevilankulu eMozambique. Lapho ngangiyojabula-ke lapho-ke. Nje ngisho ukuthi ngiyayitravela kakhulu eMozambique kakhulu. Ngihambela kakhulu umsebenzi, ngiyahambela futhi nokujabula.
Okay.
Kakhulu.
But ayilalela-ke ngizwile kuney'ndaba amanye member ayahamba phela indaba ayilandi ziyawasaba amazolo. Kuthiwa wena eMlazi FM you're going to be a host. Are you hosting your show and your show tell us ukuthi i-show yakho what it's about?
Okay.
Because asifuni ukuthi sididiseke thina.
Yeah.
Sihamba ngolayo yodwa.
Hayi indaba ziyagijima shenge. Lapho mina myself angakakhiphi i-statement kusathuli but hayi indaba ziyami kodwa-ke it's for a good cause.
Okay.
Okay, I had an agreement izolo with station manager, okay, with the team yonke nje yaseMlazi FM and the approach nokuthi icela ngibe i-sole host ye-show yesintu. And the opportunity leyo ngigrabhe with my two hands because it's gonna change impilo yami, it's gonna change indlela.
Angiqamba amanga.
It's gonna change indlela esilapha ngami. So the show yami lena-ke izoba every Thursdays kwi-Umlazi FM because it's an online radio station. Umlazi FM 7 to 9.
Okay.
Sizobe ngifundisa lapho ngesintu, ngihlola futhi lapho ngiphinde futhi ngi-advise abantu dream interpretations.
Sure.
Yeah. It's a new dimension.
Lalela ngoba vele ke ngiya-understand lokho and ngiyabonga ukuthi ngithande ukuvuleleka nje kwakho uyivume lento ukuthi kungathiwa ngiqamba amanga ngikhuluma into engekho.
Yeah.
Debs Corner Podcast.
I-Debs Corner Podcast inginayo futhi nonke nginey'team ngezile ithuba leli as from today ukuthi ngibe kanye nani. So sisazokhuluma siyasebenzisana. And futhi nakhona futhi lokho it's a life-changing opportunity that I won't take for granted.
Thank you.
I'm highly appreciative of that.
Nice.
Kumphathi nje eningi emuva kwamakhamera laphaya. Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu for this opportunity. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you. And like why you not available? Awutholakali? Like abantu mabekufuna awutholakali. Today I'm not available. This day I'm going to this province. I'm going to that province. And when masifika la sifike abantu bagcwele emnyango by the way ke vele ke angena ke thina bye. Grace. Ukuthi wena you already know ukuthi siyeza. So how do abantu mabangabe befuna ukuza kuwena bangafiki beze begcwale like ukuthi omunye umuntu ufika abanye izidingo zabantu ayifani. Yenze ukuthi wena mhlambe you catch ukuthi lo muntu lo it needs my attention at this point.
Okay, enye into engatholakali that sisho ekuqaleni ukuthi
Yes.
ngiya-travel isikhathi esiningi.
Mm.
So mina imithi yami engiyisebenzisayo eminingi yayo yangaphandle.
Yes.
So nale South Africa singalenzi iphutha yes sinayo imithi la uNkulunkulu asibusise ngayo iy'hlahla lezi, but khona imithi ethi ukujula ney'payisi ey'thize. Nami uthenga inyama esitolo inyama udinga isipayisi esithize. So-ke nami-ke kuney'payisi ethize esingenazo thina la efanele ngiyozala le ko-Malawi, ngiyozala ko-bani bani bani.
Mozambique.
So isikhathi ngiyangitholakali, but if wenza i-appointment ngiyakwazi ukuba nesikhathi sakho and nalabantu abalapha emnyango ngiyakwazi ukubhuja nangingena bazongithetha vele. But-ke nje kusawumsebenzi bazo-understand ukuthi sizosebenza nabo sizoqhubeka futhi sibanake futhi as isikhathi sihamba.
But for mina, I'm like into that always amazes me.
Yeah.
Your social media platforms.
Yeah.
Ukuthi nakhona abanye abantu kungenzeka ukuthi bangabi nazo iy'namba zakho ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bafikelele kuwena. Umuntu azasuke mhlawumbe Eastern Cape
Yeah.
eze la ePietermaritzburg athole address because your address is available on your social media platforms. So omunye umuntu mangabe ekwazi ukuthi mangabe go yes khona ipost engayibona la ukuthi abanye abantu bazibanikeze amantombazana anikeza abanye abantu or like people dating something besefonela ukuthi sawubona like abantu abangayenzi leyo.
Yes.
So wena you advise ukuthi inamba yakho lapha uyibekele ini.
Okay. Inamba yami kahle kahle it's strictly for umsebenzi.
Yes.
It's strictly for umsebenzi and nalento ukuthi umuntu athathe inamba yami seseya not in a bad way. Nalento ukuthi umuntu athathe inamba yami sethi hey.
Yes.
I don't entertain no hey no how you doing cha wena nje ukuthi ngiyabikela amakhosi igama ngisifana kasibani bani bengicela usizo ukuthi noma bengifisa ukubuza ukuthi mina ngizophendula lokho yes ngendlela ufuna ngiphendule ngayo into ebalulekile and abantu bangathathi inamba ngoba befuna ukwenza into ezizongcola nokuganga.
Hayi makhosi-ke
Yeah.
mina ngiyabonga lapho kodwa phela ungabe soba too tight about that. People they're going to send you haze because
asebenze asebenze.
Okay, like ubunyanga bafethu ubunyanga cela usichazele ngobunyanga. Ubunyanga yini? Like thina sazi ukuthi isangoma like wonke umuntu mayegqoka ubuhlalo egqoka amabhayi it's like asazi ukuthi ubunyanga kunani. Ubunyanga yini?
Yabona-ke usungena kwenye topic-ke manje enye topic it's a different dimension and level.
Okay.
So ake ngicele
So I'm thinking in that.
Yeah. Ake ngicele kumphathi ukuthi-ke sibe no part 2
Okay.
ngoba la sesizongena ngenjubo yomsebenzi wami uyabona umphathi asiphe nje part 2 abantu bake babukele la kuqala basibelindela ku part 2 ngoba kujulwe kakhulu ku part 2 ubunyanga.
Guys, you know when abantu mabekhuluma kanje ukuthi kujulwe kakhulu ku part 2, guys, please can you just stay tuned and nihlale with Pim Adlozi Khamole and it's going to go down. Guys, this is about to start. It's about to go down.
Yeah.